How to pin group chats in Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to pin a group chat, then pinning a group conversation keeps it at the top of your chat list, making it easier to access your most important chats. Firstly, open up the Signal application on your smartphone and log in. Go to your chat list and find the group chat you want to pin. Once you do that, press and hold the group conversation you want to pin, and in the pop-up, click the pin option. Now, select how long you want the conversation to be pinned at top by choosing the time duration. And once you do that, you have successfully pinned a conversation on Signal. So that's it. Your favorite conversation will now stay at the top of your chat list or your group chat for quicker and easier access. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.